330 King Street. We are super excited to be showing you this fully renovated property located in the central west part of Pierrefonds, near parks, schools, and only 10 minutes away from the Fairview shopping center and the new RAM station. Follow me. So as you come in, you can already start to see the love and thought that has been put into these renovations. Just take a look at these amazing floor tiles. So on the main level, you have this gorgeous kitchen that has been completely renovated with rose gold accents and quartz countertops. This kitchen has been opened up to the living room and dining room area to create an open concept feel. And on this floor, you also have a completely renovated powder room, which is perfect for when your guests come over. We are now on the upper floor, and to my right we have the second and third bedrooms, which are great sizes. To my left we have the main bathroom, but what we love about this property is the master bedroom because it has a walk-through closet that leads straight to the master bathroom that has been completely renovated. This basement offers this cozy family room. It also has a dedicated laundry room and a storage room that could be converted into an office. And finally, we finish our tour in this amazing backyard, which has a new wood deck built in 2021, a cute gazebo, and so much room for the children to play in or for you to entertain your guests. For more information, contact our team or click the link in the description.